have some fun. Touch an animal to learn. The cow is black and white and gives milk to make cheese. The chicken can lay eggs and has a red comb on its head. The pig likes to play in mud and uses her snout to find food. The calf is the baby of the cow. The puppy is the baby of the dog. The piglet is the baby of the pig. The chick is the baby of the chicken. The lamb is the baby of the sheep. The foal is the baby of the horse. The dog loves bones and has a great sense of smell. The farmer works hard to grow food for us. The sheep has curly white fleece and gives us wool for clothes. The squirrel lives in the tree and likes to eat nuts. The horse likes to eat hay and can run very fast. The nest is the place where birds live. The barn is the place where the animals sleep. Searching fun. Can you find the nest? Can you find the nest? Nest. Cool. How about this one? Find the word that is spelled P-U-P-P-Y. Find the word that is spelled P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Aha, you found it. Let's play again. Find the animal that likes to play in mud and uses her snout to find food. Find the animal that likes to play in mud and uses her snout to find food. Pig. Yeah, that's it. Good searching. Let's play